Hey Mike, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO, just shooting you over that video about how you can improve your online presence. So just taking a look at your website, nice, you got your address, finance available, got a nice header with all the drop downs of all the different services you provide, which is a lot of them, so good job. And then you have your click to call right in your header. So great job there. And then going through, just tell what you're all about, what you do, all the different services, reviews, and where you are. So you have the basics. I'm not seeing a ton of content about what you do. So I know you have the pictures and it says it, but not a lot of explaining what you do. So what Google is truly looking for on your homepage is 1,500 to 2,000 words so that you can organically place keywords throughout your site or throughout your homepage. Now, what an organic keyword is a buyer intent word that someone's putting into Google to find your specific service and location, of course. Now, before we get deeper into that, let's check out your website behind the scenes. So the way we do that is with a system called Ahrefs. Now, two things we look at are the UR rating and the DR rating. Now, the UR rating is the strength of your website, and the DR rating is the trust Google places in your website. Now, as you can see, they're both 0. And the reason for that being is you don't have that many backlinks, as well as I do know that this is a newer website, so it will take a little bit of time, but you do want to have a decent amount of backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to your own. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be awful because Wikipedia is a super spammy site. However, a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog or remodeling blog would be awesome because that's relevant to your service. And then those organic keywords. What buyer intent words are you ranking for? So let's check. You have 11 of them. So first up, New Vision Flooring, that's you. Replacement windows. So that will be something great. 200 people search that a month, and you just are on the map now. So you're just coming on. Windows and doors and more, no. Windows replacement, same thing. However, you're on the 5th page here, you're on the 8th page here. So you are working your way, you are just starting to get on the map because you're a new website, so that's awesome. However, all the rest of them are really not buyer intent words. So that's something that can always change. But let's check it out. Just because I saw the flooring first, let's check out what the best flooring buyer intent word would be. So flooring Fort Wayne. First up, you're going to have your G&B. This is the Google Map Pack. Now, it's super important to get on this because 30 to 40% of all people will pick one of these 3 people. That's just the easiest thing to do, so that's what people are going to do. Then you're going to have your organic rankings. This is by strength of website. So your top competitor will be this guy, K&N Carpet. Let's check them out. So they are a flooring store. They have all the different services. They have their click to call. They have request and estimate, the different floors they work with, and then that's really it. So they don't have a ton of content either. So that's something they can work on. However, let's check behind the scenes and why they're number 1 for one of the best, excuse me, one of the best buyer intent words for flooring. So when we take a look at their website, they have a trust or a strength of 19 and a trust of 1.1. So once again, room for improvement, but they are doing really well with their backlinks. As you can see, they have 543 different backlinks helping their site along, as well as they're ranking for 448 different organic keywords. So let's check those out. Flooring Fort Wayne, 450 people. They're in the first real spot, as you saw. They're getting an insane amount of traffic of 196 people to their site from that. Unheard of. It's usually around 10%, but they're getting almost 40% traffic from that one keyword. Flooring Fort Wayne, 450, first real position, they're getting 78 people from that. Fort Wayne Carpet, 150 to, so as you can see, they're ranking for buyer intent words for Fort Wayne, and they're either on the front page or number 1, and they're getting all that traffic. So if we're looking to get that traffic from them, of course, you're going to have more services because you're more of a full-on contractor for a bunch of different. However, same concept. First things first, you got to get those backlinks up. Great thing is, you know where to get good backlinks. They're working for them, so you can always take the K&N Carpet backlinks, add them to your own. That'll help raise your DRUR, as well as you need more content on your site. 1,500, 2,000 words on your homepage, and then of course 5 to 750 words on all your service pages so that you can organically place buyer intent words throughout your site so Google will know what to rank you for. Put both of those together, you'll get more traffic through your site and more calls through your website. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions whatsoever, Mike, feel free to reach back out to me. And if you can leave some feedback, that would be awesome. You have a blessed rest of your day.